Hi all, welcome back channel. In today's video we're going to start disassembling the Village 12. Yeah, hope everyone's doing well. This is another part of the series, so right now I'm going to be undoing these bolts here to get it off the cart, well transporter, the actual terminology for that, but you know, so I'm just trying to two-hand a job, so it's very difficult. Excuse for the so apologies for any bad, whatchamacallit, quality. I hope it's all turning out well. How's that for you? Yeah, that's good. Okay. So onto the cart there. Just go under the bit here. Yeah, so last video I made, for those who don't know, Lilydale line's being pulled apart as a part of a level removing crossing plan bit, and it's well known for Victorian Railways. As a part of in Victorian Railways, it was a well known part of track. I was a big line now because they also went to Warby and all that. That was like the main HQ. And since it's been torn up, they had two steam engines, A2986 and K153. I think they're original engines from that line. Yeah, they did a whole bit for the last steam engine. Apologies if my arms can't cross screen, just gotta get this piece. But yeah, they did their very last trips. I got a ride up, we went up to Newport. There's a part 2 coming soon, hopefully. But yeah, part 2 video. Had a mate there which was chatting me in background, so if you can hear me chatting away, that's just me and my mate. Actually I had a few mates there with me. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed them. There's part 2 coming out tonight, hopefully. And yeah. Just get these two up next. What we're going to do before we start any major disassembly is draining oil from the oil sump, so that we can just move this around a bit, so that we can undo this bit here. There's no one up that end there. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that and you're enjoying the Village series so far. No, a lot of the tiles have airplane too and all that. That's because I'm making this is a little series about the full rebuild of this engine. There are parts that's going to be cut in and out and all that, because there's some parts that's going to be very hard to do while doing on cam. Well, for some would say cam, but I'm using my phone, so you know, it's going to be on phone. Don't know where that bolt landed. That's problematic. That washer stuck there. I'll deal with that sooner or later. Yeah, now that's out the way. It should just lift straight up and off, like so. Okay, well that's it removed off the base there, and there it is next to the blue one. So I've got the oil pan down there, got a little oil thing there. And we're going to unplug this, the little nut there, and all the oil's going to come out. Going to use that as a funnel catch, and hopefully it's going to land in that little pan there. So I'll just keep that in shape there. Haven't undone this one yet, so I suppose that's what we'll do now. Just see if this... I'm not organised for this video, I'm sorry guys, so we're going to be finding all spanners and that. Oh, would that size fit? No. Maybe the other side. No. This side to fit it again. Well, I don't know. Yes, that is fitting it. So I'll hold you guys as I just momentarily do that. Come on, you nugget on there. That is loose. Undo that. Pull that off to the side a bit and start undoing it. It locks, so the oil's going to start dripping out, so I'll see if I can put you guys on better view. Yeah, I'm trying to limit all the editing I do because I really don't like editing, I struggle with it. yes, I'm still watching tutorials and all that on how to edit. So there's that in a bit. There she goes. The oil's dripping straight down. Might want to use the final bit. There you go. Leave that to drip out for a bit. So the plan is we're going to pull everything off this engine and just float the block out, because the block's really no use now. It's not, we really can't use it. So we're going to get rid of that. And yeah, wish the oil would come out just a touch faster. Do that. And maybe I'll tip the engine up a bit. Maybe that should start pouring out a bit thicker, sorry. Right there, it is dribbling out quite happily. Yeah, I have pulled this one apart. This is the 7th time that I know of that it's been in pieces because of an issue. Yeah, so there you go. I'm very familiar with this engine. Okay, that should do it. Just got one left finish dribbling there, and just set this bit in here. Yeah, I'm still organising, like, still cleaning up a bit here and there, because I'm a very unorganised person, and now I'm shooting videos. I'm trying to clean up my area so I can be more organised and prepared for these videos. So that's it, there's the oil. Move the oil pan out the way for now. Yeah. Next bit I reckon we'll take off is the muffler and carburetor. My hands are covered in oil. Yeah. Probably shouldn't be doing this. My good clothes should be wearing my overalls, but they're in the wash at the six. There you go. Get our little homemade final placer there for the time being. So next part, getting these two pieces off. What I'm aiming to do is I want to preserve the gaskets. I know it's a bit hard to pull these apart without damaging gaskets, but again, as you probably seen, the fuel gasket one should have been fairly simple, but tapping gaskets is pretty hard, especially for beginner-ish like me. Yes, I'm not a know-it-all person. I'm still fairly young and I'm still learning all this stuff. So no, I don't know everything. I'm not trying to act out like I do. It's just fairly temperamental. So yeah. So just heads up for the fuel bowl for any of those that are using my video as a tutorial. You'll want to get the fuel bit as round as possible to cover up the little insides so that it doesn't drip fuel everywhere as you've seen my one do. Yeah. What size is that? Size 11, so probably a little smaller. Size 11. Yeah, so I probably should next video I'm going to make, aiming to be a little more tidier. Like I'm going to have every tool laid out for you, get it all the sizing done so you don't have to go through pain and agony of this. Yeah. Should be using my Whitworth set. I've got a Whitworth set. I'm just can't remember where I put it. I think it's still upstairs in my bedroom actually. Yeah, don't think I'll be in there. We'll put this one there. I think that's it. Yeah, this is the issue I go through a lot. Finding bloody tools. Yeah, I'm trying to be more on the topic of organised. I've got a very long history for losing pieces. So I'm trying to be more wary and careful on the topic of not losing pieces. Still too bloody big. My next guess would be size 8. That's the best I can do for now. Could always use my dad's tools right out. He's got one, but he really doesn't like it. Worst comes worst, I will. This is agony. Well, I have to look. Actually, I could have one in the other toolbox. I know I've got one here somewhere. Through the top there, so yeah, I hope you like keeping well, and I hope you're having fun. If you don't like this, you can always just skip the video, or just let me know. I'll do some more editing. But yeah, no, we haven't really done much. Bugger, I'll just go look at Dad's lot. Shut that one. Oops, bit of tip. Through that one. Here we are. What size is that? 3/8. This one actually could work. And it's a touch big, of course. Here we are, size 8. Of course, it's going to be size 9. No. Oh, guys, I think I'll have to get back to you once I find this damned piece. Alright, won't be a tick. Sorry for the agony. Okay, so welcome back, everyone. I've now got the exhaust off, and we've got the carburetor off. That's what it looks like without it. So next bit I'm going to take off is the little idling spring, and then once it's a spring, yeah, your idle, your governor arm here can come off. What we're doing now. Please work this time. Yes, right at the end of gear. Finally, I couldn't find one, so I cheated and went straight to using the, whatchamacallit, pliers. No, I don't advise you using pliers straight up, going straight to the pliers, because there's a high chance rounding the bolts, and rounding the bolts ain't very good. So I don't advise to go straight to the pliers, because once you're rounded the bolts, or not, sorry, whatever they are, I can never remember, sorry, yeah, no coming back from that. And it's a big pain. So just quickly undo this bit. There you are. This one out. So that one should just pop straight off. Reckon that might do it for this video, guys. I'll get back to you next video. Right, so I hope you like, subscribe. Again, apologies for the bad quality. I'll have everything set up next time. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. And if you haven't checked out the Little Steam one, I suggest you go and do it. Ta-ta.